Hi, I'm George Wang, the founder of iTool Translator. I'm glad to show you how to use iTool Translator to translate WhatsApp video calls and voice calls. First, please download and register iTool Translator. At the first page, we click Video Call as app's friend. Then we can see Call WhatsApp friend. Select the language. My language is Chinese and another one is English. And we select voice call, video calls, or text. Now we can invite. Okay, I can send a message to someone. Then we can get it back. And when she clicks on the link, we can make a video call. 早上好，今天天气真好。
Yes, it is. So when do you get up? It is still early today.
我一般早上6点钟之前就起床了。